This is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Settings app. Onwards, enter the Google category. Next, tap at the Manage Your Google account. Once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, go for the Data and Privacy page, and from here, delete your Google account. In order to access the next step, we will need to quickly input the account password, so let me do that off the screen. Then proceed to delete your Google account like that. And once the Google account gets successfully deleted, the parental controls should be automatically deactivated, though it might take some time for the system to acknowledge that and to synchronize everything properly. So let me see if in my case that's what actually happened and the parental controls were successfully gotten rid of. Yep, as you can see, there is no longer any Google account over here, and if I will open up the list of parental controls, there are none. So next step, once the parental controls were disabled, is to recover the Google account we have just deleted so it will not disappear or just, well, vanish from the existence, if I can say so about an email account. So anyway, just recover your account by logging into any Google app or service with it. Upon entering the email address, you should get the following message. So after this message appears, follow it by entering your account password. And 9 out of 10 times you should get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. After you receive it, simply re-enter the account credentials. And the second time it allows you to go through to continue logging in, no problem, as you will be able to see now. Yep, the sign-in is successfully, well, proceeded or continued, so let's finalize this process. So you will be 100% sure that your Google account was successfully recovered. And well, it's kinda apparent, but still worth noting that once account is recovered, the parental controls will not be renewed by any means, so you should not be afraid of that. So as you can clearly see, the Google account was successfully restored and now can be used again without annoying parental limitations. So thanks for watching and bye bye.